Welcome to Insight, Medtech's customer portal. This is a free service for all Medtech users. On Insight, you can search through our knowledge library, log and track the progress of tickets with the help desk, access software downloads through our download center, view Medtech webinars, and access our e-learning site, Medtech Master. You can register for Insight in two ways. One is from the invitation email that is sent to you from the Medtech team, and you can then import the invitation code from the email in the field here. You will then be redirected to a page where you can set up your secure password. This invitation code is specific to your user and will be tagged to your cases, so please do not share the invitation code to anyone. Alternatively, you can register into Insight directly from your PMS through the Help Insight menu within your PMS system if supported. Once registered, you can sign in as per usual using your username and password, which you have set during the registration process. Let's look at the help desk functionality. Here you can search for possible answers to questions you may have. If none of the suggestions look like what you're after, at the bottom of the search results, you can create a new support request. Alternatively, you can click New Request on the search banner. From here, you can start creating a case. Where possible, be sure to attach a screenshot. When you have filled out all the key information, click Submit. Let's return to the Help Desk by clicking on the Help Desk tab or by using the breadcrumb. At the bottom half of the help desk, you will see all your active tickets. To view them, simply click on the title. Here you can see all the key information about your case. You can also add any notes or see any notes that have been added by our Medtech team. Another way of accessing our knowledge base is by using the Knowledge Base tab or by searching on the top right-hand side search bar. On here, you can search through our whole knowledge base. You can click on the knowledge base article to view the solution, and you can create a case on the right-hand side. To access product downloads, click on the Downloads tab on the top navigation bar, and select the product page using the section navigation on the right-hand side of the page. Here you can get the latest downloads for your PMS. On the top navigation bar, you will see Product Webinars. The latest webinars are on the top of the page, and past webinars will be found in the Webinar Library section. To access the e-learning site, click on Medtech Master. This will redirect you to the site. If you want to go back, simply click the back arrow. Finally, to view and update your profile information, click on the top User Profile. Click My Profile. From here, you can update any key contact information. You can also change your password and add a two-factor authentication. Once you have updated your information, click Update. You should now be able to use Insight Custom Portal. Thank you for your time.